Yeah, well, even the Duradeck that you have, that's pretty nice because I've worked on like these old screens before, and they're just one big solid piece.
Right.
So when one's damaged, it turns into a mess. In these are like little
Yeah.
squares.
So it's a modular design where we'll do different size panels for what the customer's after to either retrofit what they currently have or what they want to put in the screen. So we offer it in a rubber 1x2 insert or a 1x1 insert in various locking styles, and we're very excited about that. It's something we launched this past year, and
I didn't realize it was that new.
Yes, it's that new for us. It's some again competitive companies in the market that do something similar, but it's a new product for us, and we feel like it allows us to be a one-stop shop for your vibratory equipment and your screening needs, because not everyone offers a media of their own.
Right, and that's that ongoing maintenance as the equipment, 10 years from now, you're still using it.
Correct.
Is that, how does this configure? Is this does this come in a 2-deck? Or is this particular one that's behind us, is this sort of fixed as a 3-deck?
So this one's a 3-deck. It depends on the customer's application. We'll do 2, 3, and 4-deck designs.
Okay.
And that's probably the 4-deck is our limitation just out of room. And in my experience, there hasn't been a need to go, any really much more beyond a 3-deck, but we are capable of doing a 4-deck machine as well.
And then what would the size? This is a 6x16. Yep. Is there a size range of?
Yeah. So what we're doing the industry standard sizes. So basically from a 5x12 all the way to a 8x24, or maybe a 10x24 in the size range. But
yeah, what is I just want to kind of walk through, like you already mentioned the bearings. We talked about the screens. But then there's like the spray system on it and just all of that. Can you just kind of walk us through? Has all of that sort of been tweaked, upgraded, or is that?
It's all of this, what we've done on I'll just start with our drive on our motor system. So we have customers that have issues with a certain mounts, where they might, you walk up to a screen and they have a come along, torqued sitting there on the deck. So we kept looking at that and said, man, there's got to be a better way to do this. Mm-hmm. So we decided to do a direct drive shaft into our bearing cartridges and then put our motor on a slide. So the motor's not moving anymore. It's just a hardened style shaft that's taking the movement out of the screen. Mm. So again, all day today, as I've been showing this screen this week, everybody comes up to us and said, man, that looks like it's a lot easier to work on. It's a lot easier to maintain than what we currently have. Same thing, kind of getting back to the bearings again, having 2 bearings per side, it's helping support the side sheet stronger. It's it's when they see the screen, how balanced and how smooth this thing's running out here today, it's really turning a lot of heads. And then you get into our spray system. So we work closely with the customers again on, say, what kind of spray system, how much gallons per minute are you after, how many nozzles, how many spray bars, what are you looking to do? And, we want to work directly with the customers. We like getting their feedback. We want their input, because at the end of the day, they're the ones that's operating it, for the next 20 years. Mm-hmm. And, if they're not happy with it, then it's a reflection on us. We want everyone, when they receive our equipment, to be pleased with it.